Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to announce the big winner of the Aomway Commander V1 FPV goggles that is sponsored by Hobbycool. The giveaway itself already took place yesterday and I broadcasted it live on my Facebook page, so if you wish you can check the description box down below, head over to my Facebook page and you can watch the entire giveaway. In this video I'm going to include a recap of the giveaway and explain to you what happened and also announce the big winner. But before announcing the big winner, I have a problem that I would like to share with you, and that's why the title of this video is YouTube is killing my channel. Long story short, YouTube changed their algorithm and the way that the content is being distributed to subscribers, so simply I'm getting less views than I used to get when I had even 2,000 subscribers. So you can see, for example, this video was uploaded 3 days ago and got only 226 views. And I think this is ridiculously low, and it's not just this video, it happened also with other videos that I uploaded before, and I'm putting lots of effort into my videos, and if my content is not good enough, feel free to let me know. I will try my best to improve it, but I think the problem is with YouTube. I also done a small research and I'm not the only one who had this issue. So what you can do in order to help my channel, all you have to do is just to click the notification bell, send me all notifications for this channel, and now it's going to make sure that after I'm going to upload a video, you're going to get a notification about it. If you don't want to watch my content, feel free to unsubscribe or don't take this action. But if you do want to watch my videos and be notified that I'm uploading a new video, it's important to hit this notification bell. So after getting this issue off the table, let's head over to the Aomway Commander V1 giveaway. So here is a quick recap of the giveaway that was broadcasted live on my Facebook page. First of all, I chose a random person from the list of 25 people who answered the question correctly on the Firefly Hawkeye giveaway. The answer was 6. The random person that was chosen is Frederick View, and he got 5 tickets and he got slots 61 to 65. The next thing I've done is to choose a random commenter from the SJRG1 Facebook giveaway. Unfortunately, this giveaway didn't happen because we didn't have enough participants, and the random person that was chosen is Maurizio Soro, and he got 5 tickets as well, and he got the slot between 56 to 60. The next step was to choose a random commenter from the Aomway Commander V1 Facebook giveaway. I told you that if you're going to share the post, it's going to increase the chances of winning the goggles, and the random commenter was Ella Gal. Ella got 5 tickets as well, and her designated slot is 51 to 55. The last step before picking the winner was to draw 5 random persons who entered the Gleam giveaway, and I blurred their email addresses in order to protect their information. So these are their names. Each one got 10 tickets. You can see their names on the spreadsheet. And the last step was to choose a random number between 1 to 65, and the lucky number was 62. And we have a big winner, which is Frederick Viau. And Frederick, because he watched it live on Facebook, already reached out to me. I made sure it's him, and the package is already on its way. So congratulations, you just got yourself the Aomway Commander. I did draw a second winner in case the first one is not going to show up, and the runner-up was Adam Sharp. So congratulations, Adam, that was pretty close, but you didn't get the Commander this time, and I wish you good luck on the next giveaway. So congratulations, Frederick, for winning the Aomway Commander V1 goggles. These goggles are awesome, and I'm looking forward to test their V2. The V2 had some production issues, that's why I didn't review it yet, because the final version is not out yet, but hopefully it's going to arrive soon and I will be able to test it out. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Hobbycool for sponsoring this giveaway, and thank to them and your continued support. I hope I will be able to throw more exciting giveaways in the near future. Just in case you skipped the first part of the video, I would like to let you know that it's important to turn on the notification bell in order that you're not going to miss my upcoming videos. I'm not going to mention it in every video, but this issue is pretty important and it's going to help my channel a lot. Finally, I would like to thank all my subscribers for your continued support. So continue to comment on my videos and continue to ask questions, like my videos, even dislike my videos. And it's important for me to know what you're thinking because it will help me to improve my content. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.